Hi everyone, we're going to graph a curve whose parametric equations are given and show its orientation. So basically we're going from 0 to 2 pi, and that means we're going counterclockwise. So basically this is going to be an ellipse. So let's solve for x. So basically, I'm going to rewrite this as x over 2 equals cosine of t, and y over 3 equals sine of t. Now, I also know that cosine squared of t plus sine squared of t equals 1. And you know, with your ellipse, what we're going to do is write this out equals 1. So basically, cosine of t is x over 2 square. I'm just substituting. And sine of t is y over 3. And then you square it. And that equals 1. So you get x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. So there's your rectangular equation. And basically we can go all the way around from 0 to 2 pi. And you should know how to graph. So let me write, I'm just going to write the equation here. X squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. So under the x is 4, so square root of 4 is 2, so you go over 2 left and right. So that's your B part. And your A, we're going to go up 3, down 3. That's your plus or minus B. So there's your ellipse. So let me write this as 2, negative 2, 3, negative 3. Obviously, our center is 0, 0. And then just the orientation is from 0 to 2 pi. So we're going this way. You're going counterclockwise. Okay? And the next one's similar. The only problem with this one is that we're only going to graph half of an ellipse, because we're only going to go from 0 to pi. Alright, so basically we're going to rewrite this again. X over 2 equals cosine of t, and y over 3 equals sine of t. And I know that cosine squared of t plus sine squared of t equals 1. So I'm going to substitute. So we have x over 2 squared plus y over 3 squared equals 1. This is simplify. You get x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. And I'll write that again on this graph. So we have x squared over 4 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. And so we're going up 3 on the y. I'm assuming you already know how to graph ellipses. And over 2 and left 2. Now since our t is in between 0 and pi, we're only graphing half the ellipse, but our orientation is still from 0 to pi. So the orientation is counterclockwise. Alright? Alright, thank you. The next ones we're doing are, they're ellipses too, I believe. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.